Hey guys, Rhett here, Section 8 guy. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We have a lot of really good information coming at you guys. Today's video was inspired by one of my clients, Zach. You know who you are. And Zach asked me a question about a week ago. Zach just went under contract on his first rental property, and we were discussing the neighborhood. And one of the most important things about the neighborhood that you buy in is who else lives in the neighborhood, right? What makes up a good neighborhood? What are the aspects of a neighborhood that as investors we're looking for, right? What are the really important things? What are the things that don't matter as much? And Zach and I started talking, and he said, well, I started talking to a neighbor, and he said, is that something that I should be doing? Should I be befriending neighbors? Should I try and stay away from the neighbors? And it's a great question. And I'll tell you exactly what I told him. Having people in the neighborhood that know who you are is fantastic, right? They're eyes and ears for your property. I can't tell you the amount of times I have had neighbors in areas where I've owned a house, right? Where they're calling me to tell me some things that are going on. Hey, listen, there's a lot of trash in the yard. Hey, some people are there that shouldn't be there. Hey, there's some weird stuff going on at night, right? Things you don't want to know sometimes, but overall, things that it's always better to know. Knowledge is power, right? Information is power, and you want to know what's going on in the neighborhood that you buy in, or even more so, that you already own a property in. So that's incredibly important. Anytime you can meet neighbors, it's very important. They're going to keep you up to date on things that are going on in the neighborhood, things that are going on the street, and most importantly, things that are going on in the house in particular. Now, another benefit is if you own one home in a neighborhood, and you like that neighborhood, you're going to want to buy more in that neighborhood. Befriending the neighbors and allowing them to know that you're willing to purchase property in that area, put money into the property in that area, and make that area nicer. When that person is ready to sell, I promise you'll be the first phone call. That is how it works, right? So there's many benefits to befriending neighbors, aside from being the spies on the inside, right, by the home that you own. But also it may, in most cases, give you first dibs when that neighbor goes to sell. So guys, Zach especially, that was a great question that you asked, and I hope you real estate investors out there are befriending the neighbors in the neighborhood. Okay. It's a small part of real estate that can really go a long way. All right, guys. Well, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.